noobs out there. It's the Jake and Bennett Show.
Utter.
And today we have a special guest star, Ian. I'm better than you at everything. He's a freaking noob. Stop! It's a dead man! Roller coaster! Roller coaster! Ian, stop! Roller coaster!
I'm gonna slay you!
Okay. Oh, you okay? Bennett, show it here!
Bennett, show it.
No, that's me. Okay, don't act like a total idiot. Hey, no. We're not ending it with others. Okay, ready? No, shut up.
Wait, I'm not ready.
I almost fell.
You hit mine.
Oh! Okay, trick shots.
It's making the most ridiculous noise ever. I know, right?
I hurt my arm.
I'm not gonna watch it now.
Okay, now what should we do, guys?
Hey guys, look, it's Jake's girlfriend. It's Jake's girlfriend. She's like 2 inches tall. Where's your
Stupid.
We should go.
I think it got thrown away or
We
something.
should run around and bother your parents.
Oh, this is like the best hat now. Where the heck did my hat go?
I'm better hat than you. It has Superman on it.
No. Sexy.
Crap, I'm
Okay.
out. I'm done with you. I'm kidding.
Where's the Redskins football?
Redskins football. Redskins Jake Steelers Rock. Yay!
Oh, here it is. Okay, mini Redskins football. Bennett, do it.
Redskins football.
No, oh my God, you actually hit it.
Wait, I'm gonna crap up
Okay,
the back
go.
here. Redskins football.
Oh my God, hair sticking out of the back.
Hey, guys,
Look, here, you'll see it in the Bennett video. Push it forward. Hey, no, come back around.
No, I'm gonna kill her. No, wait.
No.
Put the thing on the hoop. Put the thing on the hoop.
Okay.
Crap. Put the thing on the dang hoop.
Oh, that's how you did it. That's why it was like.
Okay, go.
Trick shot, bro.
Shoot.
Oh, crap, I didn't do that.
Here, look.
Ow!
Look, see, it gets stuck. It's not gonna go through. Please don't ruin that. That cost like $500.
And I cost $500. You're an idiot.
Yes, it did.
Oh, you idiot.
It's the newest world freaking cup ball. I hit him in the butt.
Oh, I thought you meant the basket.
Ow. Ow. Okay, we're gonna have to end the video here. Sorry if it was really boring. It probably was because Ian's here, but please subscribe, comment, leave a like. Bye, guys.